In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Solana wallet to a bank account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the entire process of transferring Solana and then consequently cashing out your balance into a bank account. So first, open your Solana wallet of choice. For this video, I'm using the Phantom wallet as an example, but there are plenty of other Solana wallets available out there. For example, Trust Wallet. Now, for most of these, you will not be able to cash out the money directly. So in this video, the process that I'm going to be showing involves using an exchange. So you will use an exchange to sell the Solana for money, and after you have received your funds, then you will be able to transfer those funds into the bank account. So to do this, open the preferred wallet and then tap on Solana. Again, I'm going to be using Phantom Wallet as an example, but the process is generally the same. In here, you have to send the Solana to an exchange. For this video, I'm going to be showing off how to do this process on Coinbase, but you can also send it to other exchanges like Binance, where you are able to sell the Solana for actual money that can be cashed out. So if you have never made a transfer, all that you have to do is copy the wallet address from Coinbase and then paste it here. Once you have the address set up, good to go, tap next. And now within Coinbase or any other exchange of your choice, go over to the sell option. So instead of buy or convert, choose sell and then select Solana. You will be able to input the amount, either the maximum or specify it here. And then once you have the amount, you will be able to withdraw to your USD, to your Euro, to whatever currency wallet that you have registered. If you still need to, choose the option to add a new payment method, and you will be able to register your bank account. With this done, you will be able to sell the amount, including spread and any fees. So see the total if everything looks okay, and you have selected your bank account as the payout or payment destination, then you are good to go. You will see the cash out preview and you can send it right away. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.